Hello, friends. Hello. How are you? I am also fine. Guys, today we are going to do an activity. In that activity, I will give you a topic. On that topic, you will have to speak. Are you ready, guys? Yes. Are you ready? Yes. Okay, so let's start. Okay, what's your name?
My name is Vaishnavi Patel.
Okay, where do you live?
I live in Toklai.
Okay. In which class do you study?
I am pursuing in a BSc first year Computer Science.
Okay, I'm giving the topic is importance of English. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Yes, start.
As far as my knowledge is concerned, English is very important language because in the most of the countries on the world it is spoken and understood people. From different parts of world having different language as their mother tongue are able to communicate easily with knowledge of English. uh, uh, Without English language we can't do anything on internet. If you know English you can share our opinions, our ideas and our thoughts uh, thoughts with entire world through the internet with use of English. In the sector of knowledge, English language also English language also play major role. People who's studying abroad use English language uh, as a means of communication and learning. English language is a global language. It is used in every book and is the primary language for higher level studies. At the international level, all the universities interview and presentation are also done through English language. Hence, it is tough at a primary level, but as well as it carries it carries it carries high importance for uh, for one's professional life. That's it. Thank you.
Marvelous, guys. Thank you. Thank you very much. Okay. Now, as a next, let me select who will speak. Who will speak? Okay. Yogesh, how are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Okay. What's your good name?
This is Yogesh Namdev.
Okay. Where do you live?
I live in Dhakalgaon.
In which class do you study?
I'm pursuing M English Literature first sem.
Okay. I'm giving the topic is why English is necessary for all. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Share.
English language is most important for these days. Without English language, we can't communication to any countries. English language is most important for upcoming generations. English language, we can get a respected job in society by English language. In the role of the English language in our life, English language is global language in the world. It is spoken in many countries. English language is most important for English language is most important for a business to. Without English language, we can't study in other countries. English language is most popular languages in India. Uh, Today, almost 60% populations of India speak English language and know English language. Without English language, we can't learn about something in world. That's it.
Marvelous. Okay. Okay. Now, as a next, let me select who will speak. Okay, you. Have it. Okay. What's your good name?
This is Saurabh Verma.
Okay. You just share your introduction, please.
Yes, sir. I'm going to introduce myself. Listen to me carefully. This is Saurabh Verma from Sanawad. My father's name is Mr. Dinesh Verma. He is contractor. My mother's name is Mrs. Rekha Verma. She's good housewife. I am 19 Edward. I'm a study in government college Sanawad. I have no brother and one sister. I wanted to become good English teacher. My hobbies are playing cricket. My strength is my parents. My weakness is English language. That's it.
Marvelous, guys. Excellent. Okay, guys. It was really very great activity, and you have done it really very nice. Okay.